Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. In the previous episode, I shared the Eid al-Adha special Turkish breakfast and we made many recipes in this series to serve. In this episode, I'm going to share the last recipe from that table, Turkish white cheese filled rolled börek. We're gonna use yufka sheets for it. It is very easy to make and almost everyone likes it in Turkey. It is fried but still not too oily, and with the cheese and parsley filling comes out very delicious. So let's get started. I have 3 yufka sheets. It is kind of a phyllo dough but a much more thicker one. You can probably find it in Turkish markets or similar groceries, or otherwise you can also try to make it with thicker phyllo dough. And I have 2 types of cheese, 100 grams Lord cheese which has less fat and about 150 grams aged white cheese which has more fat in it, and just about big handful of chopped parsley. Actually, for 3 yufka sheets I had to add more. I'm gonna add all the ingredients in the description box below. So in total I used about 320 grams. I usually eyeball it, but I did scale it for you. So this is my sheets, and traditionally they are in round shape because they are handmade, and some of them can be, as you can see, tiered. Just don't use them. You can make a tava böreği with them. I will put the description box below the link. And first we need to cut it in triangle shapes. There are ready store-bought ones that already been cut. If you want, you can buy them, but I usually just do it my own because it's very easy. So I have 3 sheets. I fold it once and again fold it. And how we gonna cut? Just with your eye, try to portion it in 4 pieces, and you're gonna cut from the 2 closer ones to the side. I'm gonna show you, sorry I cannot explain it well, but you will understand when I cut it. So as you can see, the side is a little bit smaller because when I open it I will get the exactly shape now. And now the other side, again it is about the half of the length. And after cutting, this time you just unfold it and have 2 pieces, and just unfold the other 2 again, and we have nice triangles ready to roll. Rock and roll. So before I begin to roll, I just get some water to another small bowl and got my plate so I can place them after I roll. After this point it is very easy. You just get about a full tablespoon of the cheese filling and place it like so, a little bit not too close to the side, and just close the sides and roll it somewhat tightly, not too loose, not too very tight, because we're gonna fry it. We want to have some air. And when you're about to end it, just dip your hand to your to water, so it will be sealed like so. Looks very pretty, and I usually just roll it, and you can keep it like this for 3-4 days, and whenever you want to eat, just fry the ones you're gonna serve and eat it right away when they are still crunchy, crispy and delicious. So I'm going to finish rolling all of it now. Since I was preparing it for the Eid al-Adha special breakfast, I made this the day before and just put it in the fridge so it will be ready in the morning. So the next day, first thing I did was to prepare my breakfast, make everything ready and begin to fry my börek so they are still hot when we are going to begin to eat. Actually, they were cold because I still was on the filming, trying to explain what I did. You can watch from the previous episode, but it was okay for this time. But usually I'm very picky about serving everything very hot. On the front you see the kurban kavurma I made with eggs, and as you can see, just you have to fry it on hot oil both sides until they are crispy and golden in color. That's it. You can watch how I prepared my table with all the ingredients explained, all the cheese types, olives and spreads. So give it a try and share your photos with me. I hope you're gonna like it. You can share from Turkish Food Travel Instagram and Facebook accounts. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye!